Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kshitija. In this video, we will see what is organizing. Introduction. Planning is the first step of management in which objectives of the organization are designed and finalized. Once the objective has been designed, next step is take the efforts to accomplish that objective. For that purpose, it is necessary to structure the work and organize various activities. Organization includes analysis of the required resources, its alternative uses, and optimum utilization of that resources. Wipro Limited is the classic example of organization. Wipro has taken necessary steps so that it can be focused on customer orientation over the other goals and diversified on the basis of product lines. It modified the relationship within the management and designed the hierarchy to suit the goals. Organization includes organization structures. How to design the organizational structure. For that purpose, it is necessary to find out the skilled employees, design their roles. After designing their roles, define their interrelationship between and their responsibilities as a particular head, which results in the productive cooperation. It helps to clarify the authority and their responsibility. Annual function of any college or school is a classic example of organization. When we plan an annual function, we form different committees to carry out various activities. For example, there may be the food committee, stage committee, audition committee. At the same time, there may be an anchoring committee. So there are different committees are formed. After formation of committees, roles and responsibilities are entrusted to them. Once the roles and responsibilities are defined, then everyone in the organization are very clear about their work to be carried out. Last very important part of organization is coordination among all the committees. When all these activities are carried out smoothly, we can say there is a proper or efficient organization. So, organizing essentially implies a process which coordinates human efforts. It assembles various resources and integrates both human and material resources into a unified way so that we can achieve the defined objectives. Let's try to understand what are the steps involved in the process of organization. First step, identification and division of work. Second, departmentalization. Third, assignment of duties. And fourth, establishing and reporting relationships. First step in the organization process is identification and division of work. It is the responsibility of manager to divide the work in different parts. Once the work is divided into different parts, then it should be given to every employee so that the burden of particular work can be shared among the employees. Division of work helps every person to carry out their own responsibility very smoothly and efficiently. The first step in the process of organizing involves identification and division of work. So, the manager has to find out the work to be carried out. Once identification has been done, the next part is the work should be divided into different manageable activities. After that, each and every activity is to be entrusted to various employees so the burden of that particular work can be shared among the employees. Once work has been divided into small and manageable activities, then those activities which are similar nature are grouped together. The process of grouping the activities is known as departmentalization. This process is carried out based on certain criteria. It may be based on territory or it may be based on products. Assignment of duties is one of the important steps in the organization process. It includes Allocation of work among various employees. One in charge should be appointed for each department. The allocation of jobs or duties should be carried out based on certain skills and competencies. As proper match of job and ability is very important and it results into increase in the productivity. The work must be assigned to those who best fit to perform well. Establishing reporting relationship. This is the last but one of the significant activities of organization. Each individual should be aware that whom to report and whom he should receive the orders. It creates hierarchical structure in the organization. Every employee is quite aware that to whom he is accountable and it creates clear relationship which helps coordination among the various departments. So, in this video, we have studied the concept of organization and steps involved in the process of organization. Thank you.